ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ವಿಮಾನ ನಿಲ್ದಾಣ ಮತ್ತು ಭಾರತೀಯ ಅಂಚೆ ಸಹಯೋಗದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಮಾನ ನಿಲ್ದಾಣದ 18ನೇ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವ ಹಾಗೂ ನೂತನ ಪೋಸ್ಟಲ್ ಕವರ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಯಿತು. ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ವಿಮಾನ ನಿಲ್ದಾಣದ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಹರಿಮಾರಾರ್ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ವಿಮಾನ ನಿಲ್ದಾಣವು ಕಳೆದ 18 ವರ್ಷಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಗಮನಾರ್ಹ ಸಾಧನೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಜಾಗತಿಕ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾನ್ಯತೆ ಪಡೆದಿದೆ. ಇದು ವಿಶ್ವದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಲಕ್ಷಾಂತರ ಜನರ ಪ್ರಯಾಣಗಳ ಅವಿಭಾಜ್ಯ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಮಹತ್ವದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ನಡೆಯುವಂತಹ ಸ್ಥಳವಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಸ್ಥಳ ಇಂದು ಆಧುನಿಕತೆಯ ಪ್ರತೀಕವಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದರು.
Many achievements over the course of the last 18 years in the area of customer excellence, being a pioneering airport, having introduced many firsts in the field of aviation, of having grown in scale and size to today being recognized as a global aviation hub of some standing, of having provided connections to the people and to the people of the city and of the country, connected to over 100 destinations in India and outside, of today being on the verge of creating a hub in this location. But amongst all these achievements, what I would consider amongst the most significant has been the fact that the airport has been an integral part of the journeys of millions of people during this course. Millions of people from the city of Bangalore and from our country. Being part of their journeys would mean that we've been able to take part in their great joys, we've been able to take part in some of their saddest moments, we've been part of reunions, we've been part of farewells, and so on and so forth. Airports are great places where such life events take place, and all of these are signified by moments of great celebration, great experience, and great memories. And I guess that's what people mean when they say it feels like BLR. And what also is something I'm particularly excited about and proud about is the fact that how that image has come through. So when we launch this, you will see how beautifully the image has been created on the permanent pictorial cancellation of the airport, which is clearly the most prominent model, symbol of modernity of the city, juxtapositioned with the 500-year image of the founder of this beautiful city, Nadaprabhu Kempegowda. Those two images coming together couldn't be a better way to get.
ಪೋಸ್ಟಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ರೀಜನ್ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕಿ ತಾರಾ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ಕೆಂಪೇಗೌಡ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ವಿಮಾನ ನಿಲ್ದಾಣದಿಂದ 80ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಗಮ್ಯ ಸ್ಥಾನಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಪರ್ಕ ಒದಗಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಗ್ರಾಹಕ ಸೇವೆ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿದ್ದು ಗ್ರಾಹಕ ಸ್ನೇಹಿಯಾಗಿ ಈ ವಿಮಾನ ನಿಲ್ದಾಣ ಹೆಸರು ಗಳಿಸಿದೆ. ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾರಣವಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದರು.
India Post has been transporting 80+ international destinations from Kempegowda International Airport. This is a very, what can I say? It is a pride moment for us to say that Bangalore Airport, which has its own customs clearance, and then finally with very less time travel, it is reaching the destinations. And customers, India Post customers are very, very happy about the service. In fact, we promote international business only because of Kempegowda International Airport. So the access, the global access, I was just hearing from our managing director, he was mentioning about the globally how Bangalore is the gateway to reach any part of the world. And the infrastructure, the innovation, I mean, this is a world-class facility and the state-of-the-art facility in Bengaluru, and the credit goes to all the people and all the authorities who have been working tirelessly and giving us such a...
ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಮಾನ ನಿಲ್ದಾಣದ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಅಂಚೆ ಇಲಾಖೆಯ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ಇದ್ದರು. ವಿನಯ್, MMTV ನ್ಯೂಸ್, ದೇವನಹಳ್ಳಿ.